Hey
Everybody.
guys!
So we're in lockdown, I suppose everybody else, and we decided to do a little bit of a Q&A.
Yes.
Actually, I'm doing the Q, she's doing the A. So, Luciana, which city in Brazil are you from?
I'm from Belo Horizonte in the state of Minas Gerais.
Just got a warning for lockdown. There we go.
Stay in, guys.
Exactly.
Just a reminder.
Just a reminder.
And by the way, we get this
Like
literally
three times a day.
Yeah. Okay, carry on.
Okay, Minas Gerais. What's your favorite color?
Favorite color? I'm not wearing it today, but it's pink. As you can see from the details of our house, I've slowly kind of brought the pink in this home.
To my absolute joy. Do you have any brothers and sisters?
I am an only child, but my dad did remarry again, so now I have 2 stepsisters.
Okay, when did you start blogging?
I started blogging maybe 3 years ago, and the reason why was just so I could connect with my family and friends. It was a nice way, I think, to write all my experiences and my feelings for certain places, and yeah.
Okay, and when did your love for fashion start?
My love for fashion definitely started watching my grandmother make clothes. She literally used to make the most beautiful dresses, tops. I still have a top that I cherish very much. It's all in lace, and it used to be my mother's, and now it's mine. So it's probably like 40 years old.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, and how would you describe your style?
I definitely like to choose things that are that fit my body. Like, I really find that to be the best way to describe it. I usually go for feminine pieces and like love
Pink.
dresses, pink, lots of flowers. I don't know.
And when it comes to style, do you do classy or trendy?
I definitely don't go for trendy. I've learned through the years as well that I don't want to buy things that are like just for one wear kind of thing. I want clothes that I can have forever. Like, I have so many clothes in my closet that I've had for 20 years or plus.
Maybe not the question for the current situation, but how do you choose your travel destinations?
Well, it's weird to talk about that now because I definitely have my feelings about traveling and how I think we are going to do traveling from now on. But we do like to choose different countries. We like to experience all the places that we maybe wouldn't have the luxury to do so if it wasn't for this job that we have. But I definitely don't follow, or we don't follow what is trendy when it comes to travel as well.
She does the same for fashion, so. All right, what's the favorite place you've been to?
I even mentioned it on my one of my posts recent. I love Finland so much, and if I could go again, that would definitely be a place that I would love to go with you.
Me too. What happened to your Brazilian accent? That's the question, yeah.
It's definitely there sometimes,
No.
Um,
Only when she's super sleepy.
I grew up, I'm not sure if most of you know, but I grew up in the States. I lived there for 12 years, so maybe.
Okay, but do you still love soccer?
I hate it. I don't watch it at all, and I'm so happy Ogi doesn't like any sort of sports.
It's so funny because whenever somebody finds out she's from Brazil, that's the first question. Oh, football, and she's like.
Yeah. I'm like, next question.
Next question. Yeah. Okay. Do you like cats or dogs?
Cats.
Okay,
we have one. She's sleeping.
She is the most camera shy person ever, and she is a person. Do you like beaches or mountains?
Mountains. So the city where I'm from, it's a mountainous city.
Okay. Coffee or tea?
Coffee.
All right. Tell me a secret. Tell us a secret.
You know, because you have the pleasure of looking at it. I have the most messed up toe ever. And maybe that's a story for some other time.
You will never see that.
I'm not shy to share it, but they don't need to see it.
Anyways, how do you end up here in Dubai?
So I moved here for work about 8.5 years ago. And the plan was so funny because I wanted to be here for maybe a year. And then I met this little charmer.
And who takes your photos?
This little charmer.
Okay. How did you meet this little charmer?
So we met. Maybe we can share this some other.
I can give you the real version. Maybe you can give them
No,
a fairy tale story.
I would share the real version as well, but
Okay.
short one.
Okay.
So we obviously we work for the same company. That's how we met. But the romantic story is that we were hiking the Table Mountain in Cape Town together.
Okay. It is. It's actually 100% true. And it was raining, and everybody said don't do it.
And we did it.
We still went.
Just
so.
the two of us.
I said, don't do it unless you're skilled. I was skilled, and she just really wanted to come with me. So, yeah.
He ended up picking me up.
I was carrying her for certain parts. Okay, given the situation, I know, this is the...
But I am skilled.
Yes.
Just challenged.
Do you prefer cooking or eating out?
I used to love eating out, yeah, because with our jobs, with always being so busy, the last thing I want to do is cook. But things have changed, guys. Things have changed so much. We literally have been cooking every day. I think we've only ordered food once, and we're loving it. Like we're really enjoying being at home at this time and really connecting with each other and like enjoying simple things that I feel like we all take it for granted. So maybe cooking.
By we are cooking, she means
Him.
So what do you do in the morning now? Yoga or Pilates? What do you prefer?
I love Pilates, but I haven't been doing anything. Honest answer.
No, she has. I swear.
Oh, I'm doing TikTok.
Okay, night out or early morning start?
Early morning for sure.
Okay, and what souvenirs do you get from your travels?
I don't buy anything for my travels. Absolutely nothing. Neither of us does. We take photos. That's it. I'm trying to implement, or I think both of us, and I really appreciate that we're both on the same page when it comes to that. Less is more. I don't want to be buying a lot of things, especially since we're both living somewhere that's not our home forever.
It's our home, but exactly.
But we have to go back home at some point.
Exactly. All right, last question. Do
Okay.
we? Yeah.
Do you have somewhere to be?
Yeah, I need to go somewhere. Movies or shows? That's what's waiting for me.
Now it shows. It's longer.
All right, guys. Thanks so much for answering all my questions, Lou.
Oh, my pleasure.
We'll see you very, very soon.
See you guys.
Ciao.
Ciao.